Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the controller recognized and stable. Plug in or pair the controller, then open Steam Big Picture to force Steam input for DayZ. This gives unified mapping and prevents conflicts. Install or update the controller driver and verify the device in Windows game controllers. Once done, launch DayZ and enter the controls menu. Make sure the game detects the controller before you change any bindings, so your edits stick and don't get overwritten. Now you'll shape how the controller behaves. In Steam Input or DayZ's controls, map primary actions. Left stick for movement, right stick for look/aim, triggers for fire and aim, face buttons for interaction. Tweak dead zones to remove stick drift, lower dead zone for responsiveness, higher to avoid wobble. Adjust sensitivity and aim smoothing gradually until aiming feels consistent. Once satisfied, save a profile for combat and another for exploration or vehicles, because different situations need different stick response and button layouts. Finish by thoroughly testing in a non-hostile area. Run, sprint, aim at objects, open inventory, and use weapons to confirm combos work. Save your controller profile and upload it to Steam Cloud or export a local backup so you can recover settings. If something breaks, first rebind the problematic action. If that fails, disable Steam Input for the game and retry, then re-enable it. As a last resort, reinstall the controller driver. This clears corrupted mappings and usually restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.